These are a set of the Loon chips. Those are the 25% off.
Hey.
I'll tell you, the meat just melts in your mouth.
So we have, these are a set of the Loon chips. Those are the 25% off.
Hey.
The green ones are for free breakfast next time you're in town.
Nice.
And then these are 10% off chips. So we got the octopus. These are the pepper club.
Cool.
And then this is breakfast with pepper. And here's the next one you give to somebody.
Nice.
And we have the English Hotel.
Do that in the next giveaway.
English Hotel bottle openers and keychains.
Look at that.
English Hotel luggage tags.
Nice.
The English Hotel gift bags.
Hey, we like that.
These are the English Hotel see-through bags you can take to sporting events, kind of a side set.
Ooh, yeah, like it, like it.
They're brand new. And then, of course, the English Hotel canvas bag that is highly sought after. There's one more of these available in town that I have in the town car.
Look at that, look at that.
But this one was being
Old
sold.
Callie's getting a rare one.
Those are all the gifts here for
Thank
y'all.
you so much. I appreciate it. That's
They're all the
fantastic.
pens. That's to give you 40 pens with Todd Wiener took it.
40 pens. Todd Wiener took all the pens with his accomplice girlfriend.
Yeah.
Thank you, Coach Steve, so much for having us. It's so nice to see you and see all the loons in chat.
Are we live over here too?
No,
Oh,
we're not.
Recording. Okay,
We're
I'll pretend-
recording.
Okay. Yeah, sorry.
Are the loons still on?
Yeah, they are. Someone is calling me and says you said that a month ago. Cool. Thank you for being here.
Cheers.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for having us. You guys have a great stream tonight. Hi everyone, we just got done touring the English Hotel with Coach Steve and had a wonderful time and a wonderful visit. He gave us a whole bunch of treats and we are so stoked. Thank you so much, Coach Steve. We're just leaving the English Hotel after touring with Coach Steve. We had a great time, but now we're heading to Snappy Burger. Let's go.
worth the drive. Desserts, peanut butter pie, key lime pie, banana pudding, peach cobbler. It's delicious. Texans love our brisket, and so will you. We treat everyone like one of the family. Sides like mac and cheese you won't believe. Down home 3-leaf greens. Smoking pig barbecue. When you're there, you're home. When you're here, you're family. Smoking Pig, where Las Vegas Boulevard North meets Craig Road. It's the best in town. Simply put, you play more music. More music than usual. And more music than anyone else. Rock and roll, 60s, 70s, and Motown. Cool 102.